Inesfly Africa, headquartered in Ghana, is a company specialized in the manufacture of products for the control of pests, eradication of insects and arachnids including cockroaches, mosquitoes, spiders, mites, flies, etc., and for the control of vectors that transmit endemic diseases such as malaria, cholera, yellow fever, and dengue fever, etc. Inesfly's technology is used in different areas such as public health, hospitality, and the agri-food industry. Their technology, born out of over 20 years of research, incorporates different active ingredients, natural products, biocides, etc., into a polymeric microcapsule that is introduced into their wall paints and other products and then gradually released when applied on surfaces. Inesfly has expanded operations to 15 African countries and will be available in 22 countries by the close of 2018. Prior to using ebizframe ERP, Inesfly was using an accounting software which has its own limitations. Post a thorough due diligence, they decided to go for ebizframe ERP from Eastern Software Systems, who have a strong presence in Ghana through their partner IPMC, which is a leading IT company in West Africa. ebizframe ERP has helped Inesfly in preventing work outages, better quality deliveries, complete traceability of material, and a better control on receivables. ebizframe has integrated the entire business operations, which helps the top management of Inesfly to get a 360-degree view of their business.
Inesfly, we are the leading manufacturing company of insecticide with a base in Ghana. We manufacture a range of products, which is all with the base of what we call a microcapsulated technology. We have the paints, we have the floor cleaners, we have the EMLs, SB coating, and various of products in the fields of hospitality, public health, and agriculture. Now I'm happy to announce that we chose to implement and integrate ERP ebizframe system into our company roughly 12 months ago. So by these words, I would like to say to Eastern Software Systems and IPMC that we are extremely happy with the successful implementation, but also really commendable support. Now the day-to-day tasks has become much easier for the company, and we can now move faster and faster every day. It saves us lots of valuable time, which can be really used now on focusing on growing the company and also focusing more of our valued time towards our customers. Just to mention a few, the cycle time has reduced. We also have a very easy and very simple dashboard that can gives us a very quick overview of the status of the company. So way to go, guys. Well done.
Through the use of ebizframe ERP, Inesfly runs multiple branches seamlessly across the country and beyond.